Hey everybody, Jared with Ductless Plus. This video is basically gonna just break down what you should expect when you're getting an estimate for a ductless system. First of all, we're gonna obviously come to your house. We're gonna do a quick little conversation as far as like what areas you wanna do, if it's one room, two rooms, or your whole home. We're gonna go into those areas. We have a laser measuring machine. We're gonna laser measure all of your rooms, and then we're gonna come up with a load specific to that individual area to do the design. We're gonna need to get into attics, crawl spaces, bedrooms. We're gonna need to get into measure all the window locations. So basically, that's really critical. If there's potentially something like in a closet that's blocking the attic access, maybe it'd be good for you to basically just move that stuff out so that when we arrive, we can get over there and crawl up into the attic and see what we need to do. So it does help just to have a little bit of help from the customer to be able to get in there and maneuver through the home, pretty easily. Once we've measured all the windows, the rooms, and we come up with the design, then we're gonna wanna talk about location, where we're gonna put the machine outside. So we'll discuss with you about that as far as where you would like to see the machine set. However, typically what we're gonna do is we're gonna decide where we feel like is gonna be the most appropriate location for you. If it's gonna be on the ground, a wall bracket, if we're gonna pour a pad, or if we're gonna put the unit on the roof and build a curb. There's all kinds of different scenarios when it comes to locations for the outdoor unit. We're gonna try to come up with an installation that's gonna basically make it as easy as possible, mainly straightforward as we can as far as the way the refrigerant pipings are going to need to be ran. We're going to discuss how we're going to run the piping, where it's going to go, so that you're fully aware of what we're doing. We also are going to need to take a look at your electrical panel. So that's something I feel like that can get overlooked quite frequently, is people will want to get a ductless system or an air conditioning system upgrade, and then they forget about that we do need to power the machine up with the 220 volt circuit. The amps on the machine, comparable to like a small unit or a large unit, can vary from anywhere from 20 to 50 amps. So if you keep in mind the size of the unit is going to determine the size of amp load that we need and wire size. So those are most of the things that we're going to basically be discussing with you. So make sure we have access to attics, crawl spaces, the rooms. Make sure that if there's any kind of furniture or anything in the way of a window, hopefully we can have access to it. Simply maybe have it pre-moved out in advance, so that makes it just go a little bit quicker during the measuring of everything. So but once we get all that done, then we'll sit down with you. We'll have all of our sizes. We'll build the system really quick on Mitsubishi's Diamond System Builder platform, and then we'll be able to give you a quote. We use the Sales Builder Pro program, and it's really nice. It has the ESP built into it, and it has every single piece of equipment that Mitsubishi sells. The other thing that I do want to talk about in this video really quick is, once we do give you your estimate, you can hop on a site called mylinkdrive.com, and you can cross-reference the equipment. You can see the submittals, the sizes, or anything that you're looking for as far as that particular model goes. But that's basically what you should expect when we come out and do a ductless estimate for you. If there's anything additional to that, please leave it in the comments, and we would definitely be willing to get back to you. Again, that's basically everything for what to expect for a ductless installation. This is Jared with Ductless Plus, and we look forward to seeing you on your estimate. Thank you so much.